In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. Whether you work in real estate, healthcare, finance, e-commerce, or any other field, the goal is the same. Give ChatGPT the right context, clear instructions, and a simple process you can repeat and improve. By the end, you'll know how to craft prompts that stay accurate, on brand, and genuinely useful in day-to-day work. Start by gathering industry-specific information. Collect the documents you actually use, FAQs, procedures, guidelines, and best practices, and ensure they're accurate and current. Organize them into sections like policies, workflows, definitions, and examples so they're easy to reference. Specialized content is your advantage. The more detailed and domain-specific your material, the more relevant the responses. When you're ready to prompt, point ChatGPT to that information and set the scene. For example, act as a real estate expert and answer questions using the information provided in these documents. This frames the model's role and keeps answers anchored to your trusted sources. Next, define roles and instructions. Give ChatGPT a clear identity and expertise level, describe how answers should look, and set rules, tone, and objectives that match your audience. Specify formatting needs such as headings or concise summaries, and state what to prioritize: accuracy, clarity, or brevity. Keep these directions consistent by saving them as a reusable preface for new chats. For instance, act as a healthcare consultant. Provide professional, easy-to-understand explanations for patients. With roles and guidelines in place, you'll get more stable, on-brand outputs. Then test and refine. Ask realistic, industry-related questions and evaluate the responses against your documents and best practices. Look for missing details, outdated guidance, or overly generic language. When you spot gaps, adjust your prompts and instructions and refresh your source material as requirements evolve. You can even ask the model to self-critique to raise the bar. Review your answer as a financial analyst and suggest improvements based on industry best practices. Iteration is essential. Small prompt tweaks often deliver big quality gains. Finally, apply ChatGPT to your workflows. Use it to automate customer support and FAQs, draft reports, marketing copy, and documentation, and to assist with training, research, and decision-making. For example, create a customer support response template for an e-commerce business handling refund requests. Keep a human in the loop for sensitive or high-impact outputs and avoid sharing confidential data. With your knowledge organized, your roles defined, and your prompts refined, you'll unlock faster, more accurate results tailored to your industry.